So, this is what we're doing today, the DIY headlight restoration kit. Now, Visbella, don't know. I got this off eBay. It was like £8, £7, something like that. And it's a complete kit, right? I've used one of these before, but not this one. So we're going to give it a go. So let me show you how bad the Ford headlamps are. So as you can see, look at it's gone a bit naff, let's be honest. It looks a bit doesn't it? The one on the other side's probably a little bit worse. Look, there's actually, I don't know what this is. It's like someone spilt something on it, but that should all come off. So yeah, let's open up the kit and let's see what you get. So this is what you get. You get a load of sanding discs, all different grades. I don't know, just a bit of foam. The bit you put on the end of the drill. Now you can apparently do this by hand, or you can whatever. There's a sponge. There's the compound, and then there's a step 3 compound, which protects it afterwards. So here's the instructions. So I'm just going to have a read of this. So we put the sanding disc on. We put a bit of water on it. Tape up the headlight. So we're going to do one grade, and then we're going to move on to a finer grade, and then another grade. So let's see how we get on. So I've now wet and dried it in the 3 grades, and look, it's got rid of the yellowiness because it's all real fine scratched. So that's the other one, it's yellow. Yeah, you see the yellow tint? Yeah, so the yellow tint has gone. So now I've just got to buff it up with the polish. So what we're going to do now is we're going to polish it. So we'll see how we go on. So I'm going to use a drill for this. Now with the sandpaper on the drill, I found I've got a better job. You can see it's less yellow. I've got a better job with it when I did it by hand. So we're going to polish it with this and see how we get on. So two massive difference straight away. Look, there's no yellow. So look, there you go. So you can see that one, it's all yellow. And yeah, look at that. Just wants a bit more buffing to get the marks off, and then we can clean it off and top coat it. Lost all the yellow in. Unlike that one. This is next. So now we're going to put on the step 3. So yeah. Oh, you can see where we've been. That's terrible, isn't it, that one? So we're going to do that next. Look at that. So this stuff actually does work. So I've got the top coat on now. You have to leave this light for 24 hours. So I'm just going to not touch it now. So let's leave it alone. So there we have it. There's the other headlamp. So it definitely looks better now. So what would I rate this headlight cleaning kit? Well, I would give it, it's a bit time consuming, but I would give it, I would say an 8 out of 10. I'd only give it an 8. And that is because every time I stuck these onto the drill, onto the end of the drill, the fabric on the back sort of came off, and then the paper separated on 3 of them. Apart from that though, it was alright. I mean, everything did what it's supposed to do. So yeah, 8 out of 10. So if you've got yellow headlamps, use it.